Hi all, welcome to our channel. So guys, this is very important option is called how you can index your website and Google and Bing search engines. Suppose we can using for Google search engine, Bing search engine, any URL first time will be adding on content your particular website. So once you add content, we can refreshing for your content will be Control F5. We have selecting for 3 to 5 times. Refreshing content is most important for here. First, to copy this URL. First, you can selecting option name is called Google Search Console. This is procedure will be follow option. How we can start it? First, you can go to URL inspection, check it, the URL. It is on Google or not, first of all, they intimate. They give steps will be everything will be like this, NA, none of the above. We can search first of all, requesting to index. First, we can go this policy for requesting to index. This will be Google Search Console. Next will be Bing Search Console. Select your website. Here option will be URL inspection. Click for inspect. So not discover URL cannot appear into Bing. Requesting to what? Index. This is complete for quota for left for today 10,000 URLs. First one they will be give for 10. After they will 100. This is here. Your submit via review URL for indexion. So there will be crawling will be start here. And their option will be called URL submission. It will be done by in this. What is the URL submission? Everything will be in this option. We option will be there two options. At time we can how many links are there? Select this URL. At a time we can sending for multiple URLs. For example, see look into this. How many we can sending? Click for submit. Today will be submitting for total 3 URL out of 10,000. So 9997. Remaining quota will be rest in 14 hours. So those will be steps. URL inspection will be same. Here is the. This will be long procedure for the Google Search Console. After requesting index will be done. We have to option will be text live URL. But into Bing Search Console only for here we can do a URL submission also. Here URL inspection just we can copy the URL. See this procedure. Inspect, not discover here. Requesting to index. Click for submitting. They show submit successfully. Will review the URL for indexion. So this will be crawling and everything will be. Request index will be done once. Don't click once again will be in this particular method. So this is the policy will be always follow for Google Search Console and Bing Search Console. Once done by inspection, you have to wait for time. So immediately they not index. So what are done? Your test pages, availability, mobile usability, logo, review net, everything will be perfectly shown by in your particular website. So Google Bar smartphone successfully allowed every option will be here into the particular mobile friendly and text view pages. Everything will be perfectly done by in your particular page for index Google Search Console purpose. Anything you will be facing some problem will be apostrophe mark. We can go for once again refresh your particular page. No need to worry about this one. Regular update will be sitemaps and sitemap. Google and Bing Webmaster compulsory important. Sitemap updation is very, very important from the each and every particular search consoles. So those steps, it will be done by 12/3/2022. So once again, we have to check for submit sitemap. So this will be here. So we can copy this. Success will be proceed. Click here. Sometime page loading issue in the Bing Search Console. No need to worry about that. Click here. We have to option name is called resubmit. There is a fraction of seconds. They will be resubmit your XML sitemap option. So this is the steps we can follow by the Bing and Google Search Console option. If you have any question about the Bing and Google Search Console options, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.